Hello everyone and welcome to jgcancook. So today is the day 5 of the 12 days food challenge, that is cooking food starting from A to Z. So we are doing this challenge as we are going to complete 1 year on YouTube on 24th of April. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So today we are going to cook food from the letters J and K. So from letter J, we are going to make Javachip Frappucino, which is a very popular Starbucks drink. So for this we need 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. We need to mix it with approx 30 ml of warm water and then we will keep it aside for approx 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, we are going to take a jar, add in approx 1.5 cup of ice, half a cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of choco chips, the black coffee which we have prepared, and 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. I am using here Hershey's syrup. Now it's time to blend it. After blending it, our Javachip Frappucino is ready. You can whip some cream if you want or serve it as it is. And to make it more chocolatey and pretty, we will drizzle some Hershey's syrup on the whipping cream. So guys, our Javachip Frappucino in no time is ready. It was a delicious recipe and very easy one. So if you try this recipe, do share your feedback with me in the comment section or on the Instagram. Handle is on the screen and also in the description box. Now moving on to the next recipe, that is from K. We are going to make Kadhai Paneer. So for that we need approx 200 grams of paneer. We will chop them into cubes. Then we are going to add it in a bowl. Season it with some salt, some red chili powder, and some lemon juice. We will mix them well with a spatula or by just tossing them. And our paneer is marinated and we will keep it aside for approx 10 minutes. Now moving on to the step number 2, we are going to take a pan and we'll add some oil in it. Now it's time to shallow fry some onion, capsicum and paneer. So here I have taken approx 1 onion and have cut them into cubes and will shallow fry it till a golden brownish color. Shallow fry the onions till a light golden brownish color is obtained. So after 5 minutes, our onions are fried and we will take it out. Now we will add capsicum in the same pan and we'll repeat the process till 5 minutes. We don't need to overcook them. Now after 4 to 5 minutes, our capsicum are also done. Now we will take some more oil in a pan. Now it's time to shallow fry the paneer. I am adding in the cubes one by one so they don't break. So it will take approx 5 to 10 minutes to shallow fry the paneer. Now we will take them out in a bowl. Now we will again take that pan and we'll add some oil, approx 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add some hing, some jeera, two cloves and 5 to 6 black pepper and 2 elaichi. To know the correct quantity, you can always check the description box. Now I am going to add roughly chopped onion, that is 1 onion, and will mix it well. We will cook it for approx 1 minute. After that I am going to add approx 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and will mix it well. We will mix it well for approx 1 minute. And after that I am going to add 2 medium sized tomatoes that are also roughly chopped and will mix it well. Now I am going to add salt so that the tomato cooks very quickly. After mixing again, now we will cover it with a plate and will let it cook for approx 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am going to add some water so that it is very easy to form a paste. Then again we will cover it and let it cook in steam. And after 5 minutes, our tomatoes are cooked well. Now we will take it out in a mixer grinder jar and we'll let it cool for approx 10 minutes. Then only we will grind it. So after grinding it, it will form a smooth paste. Now we have to sieve it. We will just directly sieve it with a spoon and we'll remove the excess. Then we will add some water in the mixer grinder jar and we'll add in this mixture. And a Kadhai Paneer gravy is ready. Now we need to cook it. It is not the final step. Now in the same pan again I have added some oil, some cinnamon stick and one tej patta, and the gas is on the low medium flame. Then I am going to add some haldi, some lal mirch and will mix it well for approx 1 minute. And after that I am going to add the Kadhai Paneer gravy. Then we are going to mix it very well. After mixing it well with the tadka, I am going to add some sugar as my tomato are a little sour. You can skip this. Then I am going to add some garam masala, some coriander powder and will mix it well. Now let it simmer on low medium flame for approx 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I am going to add the shallow fried onion and capsicum. We'll mix it well. You can add more salt if it is less, but mine is perfect. Now I'm going to add approx 1 tablespoon of fresh cream and we'll mix it well. Now I will let it simmer for approx 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I am going to add kasuri methi. Now I will cover it for approx 5 minutes and our Kadhai Paneer gravy is fully ready. Now it's time to add in the paneer. Now we will add the paneer and we'll mix it well with the gravy. So after 2 to 3 minutes, our Kadhai Paneer is ready to serve. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you will try this recipe, do share your feedback with me in the comment section or on my Instagram. Handle is given on the screen. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do to subscribe it and click on the bell button to get all the post notification. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment. And this was it for today's video. We will meet you tomorrow with some more exciting letters. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.